Hello friends, you are welcome in our video. We know that you like our videos very much. For this, we have now added the caption for this video in more than 36 different languages for you people. That's true now. Select your favorite language with title and input. Enjoy the video and subscribe the channel.
Presenting the Redmi Book Pro Intel Core i5 11th generation 15.6-inch. It comes with 8 MB cache, 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD and memory and storage, 8 GB DDR4 3200 MHz. It has 16:9 aspect ratio and display, 15.6-inch Full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080. It features DTS audio processing. It also features anti-glare. It also features one HDMI port, one SD card reader, one headphone/microphone combo, one USB 2.0 Type A. The delivery box contains power adapter and user manual. Power cord and notebook. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Ta-da! I'm here today to share some of the coolest ways you can save when you buy electronic products on Amazon.in at literally every step. Here's how. First, check out for the deal on MRP. Next, check if you are eligible for instant bank discount on your credit card or debit card. You can get up to 10% discount here. Now, everyone's favorite. Look for coupons. And right before you are about to make the payment, check if there's a no-cost EMI offer on your payment, which means you have to pay a monthly fixed amount instead of paying the entire sum together, that too at zero interest. Some of the other ways that you can avail more benefits are through exchange offers. Just go to the exchange section, select the product you wish to exchange, enter any other detail asked and apply for exchange. Free membership, subscriptions that can be clubbed with the product. An extended warranty as well, so that you can be rest assured. These are some of the great ways you can save when you buy electronics on Amazon.in, like our boss. Hey guys, raise your hand if you love the crazy deals you see on your favorite gadgets at Amazon.in. And with their super easy return and replacement policy, the entire experience becomes all the more amazing, right? All you have got to do is go to the app, click on the icon made at the bottom of the app, select your orders, click on the order you wish to return or replace. Scroll down and voila, you see the option right there. That was quick. Next, address any product damage or defect related issues with an easy 2-click troubleshooting feature. Get help from qualified customer support to assist you step by step. For certain products, you can also opt for in-person support, that too for free. If you still wish to return or replace the gadget, you could place a request within 7 days of delivery and be assured about timely product pickup and refund initiation post-product verification. So what are you waiting for? Get the best gadgets at best prices and even better shopping experience on Amazon.in.
This is the Redmi Book series. Don't just judge it by its beautiful cover. This machine can bring your dreams to life. It has a processor that can handle everything you throw at it and juggle it too. And with a full HD screen this big, you can finally call that special someone over for a dream date. Did someone say Netflix and Dil? What if you need to pull an all-nighter to ace an exam? With this battery, you can stay up all night long. And it also has all the ports you need. So plug in and play your heart out. Can it help to start a business? Yes. Win a research grant? Yes. Crack that big startup pitch? Of course. You can do it all. So, pick up the REDMIBOOK series today and superstart life.